Hi guys, this is Dan with Index Option Trading. Happy New Year, and we start off this year 2011 with a chart of E-mini futures S&P 500. I hope you had a nice holidays and we're back to business here. Looks like today the market opened up with a gap. And if you look at it here, we're looking at a chart of S&P E-mini futures, which is starting here in July of 2009 when it made a high of 1441 and it made a low in July of 2008, and it made a low of 665 in March of 2009. And since then the market has trudged up and has gone up SPX, which is these futures are, and then they have climbed up here to 78% of the retracement at 1266. The market has almost doubled since Obama administration has got in here. And if you look at it, these E-mini futures, they're a total representative of the market, what has happened, and we're sitting here at 78% retracement, which is a key number on Fibonacci retracements. Let's go back and take a look at the profit charts. We're looking at S&P 500 now, a 20-day 30-minute time frame, and it's what it has been doing in the last week of the holidays. Since December the 22nd, the market has been consolidating in that narrow range of 255 to 265 at 263, and that's it. It was not much going on here, and as a result, when everybody got back here, the market just broke out from here to the upside, and it just moved up higher, and towards the half day it just managed to lose some of its gains, and that's what it did. It was a blowout. It was a very bang. It's a new year with a bang. Let's go and put 9 months on here and see how the market has been doing. This is a consolidation pattern that you can see here. S&P was consolidating, and after that it just broke out here straight up, and the market seems to be going higher from here. 271. It probably will go up another 200, 450. Remember, this was a cup and a handle, and we measured that distance from here to there was 200 points. We added that here, so 1450. Hopefully this year we will make it sometime. We don't know how, when, but we will. And start off with looking at some of the volumes now on SPY. The chart on SPY was also very intriguing because it gapped up and it went up higher, then it got pulled back, and it left a very strange looking candle here. It's not a doji, it's not, I don't know, couldn't remember, I cannot just come up with the name here, but it's a very strange candle. I mean, it's not a sell-off, it's just the market went up and then it got pulled back, and that's why you're seeing this small body here and long shadow of the candle. The volumes were pretty decent, 138, which is almost double what it has in the holidays. The volumes were just tapering off, but now the volumes are picking up. And as soon as we have all the full enchilada here, which is a 256 million shares traded, we know that all the operators of the stock market are back here from their vacations, and I think it's going to happen sometime this week, but we don't know when. Moving on to some of the stocks that are under consideration, we had PCLN, which had a nice day today on the stock market. It went up 16 points, and this was a consolidation pattern. It was making a flag here within that range, and it hit its 50-day moving average right here. It bounced off right off that 50-day moving average, because this is where the fund managers and people who were sitting to buy that stock came in and supported it at decent volume of 1.3 million shares. And the stochastics got a hook here. It's all looking very bullish here. This was a bullish continuation pattern. If you are used to it, seeing this thing over and over again, which I have been putting out, this is what it is doing. And also we had some good strength in Apple, which is another technology stock. We have some position. Apple is trying to break out from this consolidation pattern at 329, and it's moving higher. We may have to close that butterfly, because I don't want this thing to go up too high and too fast, and then we start losing some money on it. So these are the stocks that are doing really well, and Netflix and FLX wasn't faring so well. I'm not a fan of it. I think we're going to get rid of this position. It is just sitting there at 50-day moving average. So that is all for today. The market is looking extremely bullish after the holidays, and I think we're going to see some more upside.